Ryan Layton from boothbyregister.com, Storm Center. Doing an accident report over here in Edgecomb, right at Route 27, right where it meets up with Route 1 near Wiscasset. And the vehicle slid off the road, and they're towing it out right now. The roads are kind of nasty out right now. Everything's kind of freezing up, and all that wetness we had earlier is freezing up, so if you can, try to avoid driving today. You can see that the truck that slid off the road is being towed up, and it looks like traffic is going to resume. But right now there's traffic that's held up over here, right at the intersection of Route 1 and Route 27. Stay tuned for storm updates as they become available. boothbyregister.com.